How to book seats on American Airlines. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can book seats on American Airlines. Okay, now I want you to know that booking a seat on American Airlines is very simple and easy. Just the same process required in booking a flight or getting a flight on American Airlines. You have to follow the same process. So if you've not booked for a flight on American Airlines before, you just have to visit the website or the mobile app and then select book here. You select book, you'll see flights. If it's flight, if it's vacation package, whichever one, select flight and then you'll be asked to fill in these details. Which city are you coming from? Which city are you going to? Your departure, your return. Just ensure you fill in everything. And then once you fill in everything and click on search, you'll be further directed on what to do. Just go ahead, fill in the required info. Once you fill in the required information, once you fill in the required information, you'll be directed to another home page where you'd see a visualized image showing you the image of the airplane and the available seats. The available seats. So you can just go ahead and book the seats that's available to you. Note that if on the airplane others most of the seats have been booked, you will be left with a limited choice. But if most of the seats have not been booked, you can book any seat of your choice. So this is how to book seats on American Airlines. It's very simple. Just while you're checking in, be conscious and follow through the process and the instructions. Once you follow the instructions, you'll get to the point where you have to book a seat, select the seats you want, and then check out and pay. And that is how you can book seats on American Airlines. Very quick and easy. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.